Sale of sacrificial animals has officially started in the capital Dhaka on Thursday morning. Before this, the animal market was filled with cows and goats. Besides, people started to gather at cow markets for buying and estimating price. As per concerned authority, this year there are 11 permanent and temporary cow markets have been set up in the South City Corporation area and 9 in North City Corporation area. Meanwhile, the gathering of buyers at the animal market of Gaptuli is visible since this morning. Camels and fat-tailed sheep are also available in this market along with cows, goats and buffaloes. The traders say buyers are basically checking the prices. Sales have not started yet and the buyers say big cows are more expensive in the market. Meanwhile, DSCC Mayor said waste of sacrificial animals will be cleaned within 24 hours and the waste of the markets within 72 hours. And DNCC Mayor said it will be cleaned within 6 hours.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।